Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about cell theory. Cell theory. What is theory? Theory means principle. A principle of cell. It means all living organisms are made up of cell and they follows a similar principle or a similar theory, that is cell theory. Cell theory. What is cell theory? Cell theory tell us about that all living organisms are made up of cells. All living organisms are made up of cells. सभी किससे मिलकर बने होते हैं? सेल से मिलकर बने होते हैं. नंबर 2, cell is the basic unit of life. It means all of the body or organism or life of the world are made up of cell, and the basic fundamental unit of their body is also cell. This theory was given by Schleiden. Given by cell theory. Who gave the cell theory? Schleiden. SCHAWANN. Schwanen and Schleiden. SCHLEIDEN. Schleiden Schwann. 1839 and 1838. बाद में दोनों ने कंपोज करा और एक साथ एक थ्योरी दी जिसका नाम था सेल थ्योरी. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेल थ्योरी ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल. सेल इज द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ life. This is our cell theory. It is also known as old cell theory. Cell theory does not follows a living organism, that is virus. What is virus? Virus is not made up of cell. The basic fundamental unit of virus is not a cell. It means virus does not follow this principle, that is cell theory given by Schleiden and Schwann. They are not made up of cell. There is no basic unit of cell in a virus. Okay. After it, a new cell theory was given, that is known as expanded cell theory. Another name, modern cell theory. Expanded cell theory given by Virchow, Rudolf Virchow or Virchow. Virchow given this theory in 1855. This theory is also known as expanded cell theory and modern cell theory because it follows the before's two rule and new one, that is all new cells arises from pre-existing cell. All new cells arises from pre-existing cell. What is the meaning of this line? It means new cells forms from older cells. older cells by cell division. This step also included in it, and it is now commonly known as expanded cell theory, that all living organisms are made up of cells. Cells is the basic unit of life. All new cells arises from pre-existing cells. means नई सेल्स जो बनती हैं वो पुरानी सेल्स से बनती है. जैसे कि मैं किससे बना, मैं मेरे ओल्डर पेरेंट्स से बना, मेरे पेरेंट्स किससे बने, ग्रैंडफादर वगैरह से बने. तो ये जो हम पुरानों से नए बनने की जो प्रोसेस हैं, इस प्रोसेस को बेसिकली विर्चोव ने दुनिया को बताया और कहा कि ऑल लिविंग न्यू सेल्स अराइजेस फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स. प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स का मतलब होता है ओल्डर सेल्स, और ओल्डर का मतलब पेरेंट्स से होता है, मीन्स पेरेंटल सेल. द एक्सेप्शन ऑफ सेल थ्योरी इज वायरस. Virus does not follows the rule of cell theory. It means virus are not made up of cell. Their body is not there is no basic unit, that is cell, and viruses forms from older viruses, but they have a need of cell to divide. Therefore, they are exception of cell theory. Thank you.